आंखें मत रगड़ो। Don't rub the eyes. Don't rub the eyes. जोर से सीटी बजाओ। Whistle loudly. Whistle loudly. मेरी कमर खुजाओ। Scratch my back. Scratch my back. खराटे मत लो। Don't snore. Don't snore. तालियां बजाओ। Clap your hands. Clap your hands. चुटकी बजाओ। Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. बैग को मुक्का मारो। Punch the bag. Punch the bag. फुटबॉल को लात मारो। Kick the football. Kick the football. उसे गले लगाओ। Hug him. Hug him. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो। Hold my hand. Hold my hand. मुझे गुदगुदी मत करो। Don't tickle me. Don't tickle me. ये किस लिए है? What is this for? What is this for? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मैं इसके पास जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go to him. I want to go to him. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? मुझे इसकी याद आ रही है। I am missing him. क्या हम साथ खेल सकते हैं? Can we play together? मुझे भी खेलना है। I also want to play. I also want to play. तुम वहाँ क्यों गए? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? मुझे बचाना पड़ा। I just had to go. I just had to go. तुम वहाँ क्यों जाते हो? Why do you go there? Why do you go there? मैं बेजा जाता हूँ। I am sent. I am sent. हर एक से गलती होती है। Everyone makes mistake. Everyone makes mistake. क्या तुमने इसे दावत दी? Did you invite him? Did you invite him? मुझे पूछने का हक है। I have right to ask. I have right to ask. आपको बोलने का हक है। You have right to speak. You have right to speak. क्या वह घर पर था? Was he at home? Was he at home? वो कांप रहा है। He is shivering. He is shivering. क्या बाहर धूप है? Is it sunny outside? Is it sunny outside? आज धुंध है। It is foggy today. It is foggy today. मेरे हाथ ठंडे हो गए। My hands got cooled. My hands got cooled. तुम्हारी नाक सुर्ख हो गई। Your nose got red. Your nose got red. इसका पेट खराब है। His stomach is upset. His stomach is upset. इसका गला खराब है। He has a sore throat. He has a sore throat. उसे चक्कर आ रहा है। He is feeling dizzy. He is feeling dizzy. उसे बुखार है। He has a fever. He has a fever. आस पास रहो। Be around. Be around. मेरे साथ रहो। Be with me. Be with me. हमारे सबक के बारे में अपनी नज़र कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।